Welcome to journal number 2. This time, I'll try to be consistent as I possibly can. So, the only thing that I wanted to discuss for today is about the things that happened today. So, in the morning, I woke up at 5, 5 to 6, 5 to 6 a.m. And then I played the piano and I successfully uh, learned a simple piece, not a simple part of the piece, because I'm learning a big, difficult and long piece. It's called Ballad Number One by Chopin, and then after that, I managed to do some technical analysis. I tried my best to study what liquidity is. So let me shorten this for you. Liquidity is an an order where liquidity is a term where people orders, whether it's buy or sell, limit orders. That is liquidity. That's what I learned so far. And I also slept in the afternoon, which is the reason why I lack sleep. I only had 4 hours of sleep, and then yeah, I slept in the afternoon in order to gain my 8 hours sleep. But I used an alarm clock because I was supposed to play a piano as well again. And one thing that I realize is that I'm distracted by a lot of things. Even though I have even though I have focus, is that I constantly get distracted through media, anything else that gives us distraction. Sorry. And that's one thing that I learned as well. But I still managed to play a piano and complete and finish the task that I needed to do in the piano, like learn learn Ballad Number One piece by piece. And yeah, I was happy, but as soon as I realized that after I played the piano, I managed to realize that I started to feel bored. And then there it is, a path where inconsistency comes. I felt that difficultness is entering my mind because I'm still at the part where basic things are in Japan. Like I finished of the music, one fourth of the music, and then I had hold on. So where was I? Yeah, that's right. I managed to finish one fourth of the music, one fourth of the piece, and then I felt bored after that. But it's not a big deal since I still need to manage my time through some of my hobbies. Today I'm going to do technical analysis, and I'm trying my best to speak properly because this journey is all about me speaking to you, and I want to see my improvements throughout from time to time. I, if you're watching this, please, you don't have to like and share or follow, like and or subscribe. I just want you to share. I just want me to share my experience to all of you because I wanted you to know that I wanted you to know how I journal my things, and I hope that I'm encouraging you to do the same. So I'm still glad you managed to press that video, and of course to tell my daily habits story. And this is where my story starts, because this is my journal. The reason why I journal it in YouTube videos, because that it's hard for me to journal it through notebooks. I constantly forgot about it. So I found another way, which this is. And I never stop learning every day. That's what I want to say, is that I'm trying to find ways on how to find the leak through every walls. And yes, I am still a student, and I do hope that you give me feedbacks, some advices, and I would appreciate that. Thank you so much for pressing the video again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, hold on. I probably think that I might not do a daily journal tomorrow, but I'll try my best, since we are going on a weekly vacation. I mean, like, it's Holy Week, and sure, going on a weekly vacation, but still, thank you for pressing the video, and have a good night.